Awesome day, great people. Welcome to our channel once again, where you have your daily digital economy business news and updates. This day, want to let you know that Elon Musk, the owner of the Twitter platform, is pushing his belief, his backing of Dogecoin cryptocurrency, pushing it to another level by replacing the conventional bird logo on Twitter with the Dogecoin dog image. So that is telling you that he is fully backing it up. According to Cryptopolitan blogging page, you can see here today that Elon Musk is putting his belief in backing up the cryptocurrency Dogecoin favorability and acceptability by replacing it with the usual bird logo of the Twitter. So if you are into cryptocurrency and you are into investment, this is telling you that there might be an upward movement in price of Dogecoin in a very short period of time, because the richest man in the world is backing it up and taking action to actually improve and increase its acceptability, its value, and more that could help the coin go up in price. So let's see how things unfold in the not distance a time. Once again, do well to follow and subscribe to our channel, and we would love to have you here again. Thank you.